Why are you starting your morning wrong? Most people pick up their phone at the beginning of the morning and start flipping through the social media feed. This habit leads to a bad and chaotic start to the day, which causes headaches, stress, and general ill health. As they say, as you start the morning, you will spend the day. If your morning starts with procrastination, be sure that you will not be able to spend the day productively. Therefore, in this video, I will tell you how to fix it and what habits to add to your morning routine. Drink a glass of water immediately after waking up. This will help your body wake up and begin the hydration process after a night's sleep. Physical activity is an important component. Do some light exercise, stretching, or jogging. This will energize you and help activate your muscles. And if you add more training, it will be easier to build muscles. Take time for personal hygiene. Wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower. These simple steps will help you feel refreshed and refreshed. Spend 10-15 minutes reading a book or article that inspires you or teaches you something new. This will help you set yourself up for a productive day and stimulate mental activity. Include learning foreign languages in your morning routine. This will help you develop your mental abilities and open up new opportunities in your life and career. And most importantly, do not take the phone in the first hour after waking up. This will help you avoid morning procrastination and a chaotic start to the day. Instead, focus on your morning rituals and set yourself up for a productive day. The essence of the routine is that after you implement these rules in your life, you will do these actions every day, regardless of the day or situation. Completing this to-do list will greatly improve you and bring you closer to your goal. If you do your morning routine 365 days in a row, then just think about how many books you will read, how many muscles you will gain, how well you will understand a foreign language, and how you will progress in your life.